What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. I will discuss exactly everything about how to brand your eBay store and what I have learned in my experience of selling on eBay. I have learned a lot when it comes to branding an eBay store, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. If you make these changes that I'm gonna go through your store, you are gonna have a great chance of success. You are gonna be able to see an increase in conversions. Let's get right into the video. So what exactly does branding mean? The definition of branding is the activity of connecting a product with a particular ideas of features or with a particular name in order to make people buy. So you have to build your store in a certain way. Amazon, for example, you guys are all probably aware of Amazon. They use colors like black, white and orange. When you look at just by looking at the colors alone, this is the same colors that they put in their website, and they have got the arrow going from A to Z. They sell a wide variety of products A through Z. They have a wide variety of products just by you looking at their logo. They are trying to get into your mind that they have a wide variety of products and they put on all their packing. This is how you need to think about your logo. So when it comes to naming your business, these are the type of things that I want you to think about. I'm gonna show you example using a company on eBay right now and how different companies have branded their stories. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to building a brand on eBay, and I'm looking at a company called World of Books Ltd. They are in the top 10 companies on eBay. This company is one of the largest eBay stores. They do millions of dollars every single month. So when it comes to branding your eBay store, there is various different elements. There is a lot to learn from this particular company, so you need to be aware of this company's eBay store and break down every single thing that helps you to brand your store correctly. So right now we are on their profile page. So the first thing that a lot of customers will look at is a section right here. I'm just going to quickly show you out this section here, so anyone that reads this will know exactly what they sell. So it just gives a quick opportunity for what they are about. So when it comes to branding your eBay store, the first thing I want to point out is to explain exactly what you do and the name of your business, and that's one of the most important things that you need to look at. As you can see the company name and the logo, make sure that you design a good logo. It's very important, as I said, and put it in this section here, because when the customer comes on this page, they will know exactly what they are looking at. The two things that the customers looks at: first, the company name, and the second is logo. And in this section right here, you just gives you another opportunity to get your message across in terms of what you sell, and make sure you upload a good cover picture too. So right now we are on their profile page, and now I'm just going to go through this company's eBay store and break down every single thing that you need to be aware of. Breakdown of what your company actually does. This section right here, the first thing that a lot of customers will look at, this section gives you an opportunity to explain what your business does. So when it comes to branding your eBay store, that's the first thing that I want to point out. Now I'm just going to quickly click into the actual shop and see exactly how they brand their store. You need to click on this section right here in their store straight away. We can see their logo again. So when it comes to design the logo, what you need to do, you need to make sure that they have designed your logo in a way that it has like a book shape right there. It's a very good logo, as you can see, and it's definitely grab people attention. They have also used the same colors throughout their store. They have used the same type of green. They have put in their logo in the actual store, and they have used the custom store template. This is very important. So you should spend money when it comes to building a business on eBay and get someone to design a custom store template for you. It allows you to kind of be ahead of the competition, and it's very simple to do. If you want to make it for yourself, go to ebay.com or ebay.uk, and for custom eBay store template, there are sellers that will design it for you, and as you can see, it looks very appealing to any customer. So you need to get an eBay store template designed for your store. This is one of the main things you need to do, and of course with the custom colors that match your logo. And as you can see, they have got a custom listing template, and you need to know what is the difference between custom store template and custom listing template. Custom listing template is that your product listings are designed in a certain way, and when it comes to a custom store template, it's a code that you are going to upload onto eBay. That's going to make your store is designed in a certain way. And as you can see in their custom listing template, they have put a breakdown of what the product is. When the person searches for a book and clicks on one of their listings and they see the logo, straight away they are going to know that this company sells books. So these are all the main things you need to be in mind. You need to make sure about your eBay store. So make sure your eBay store is branded correctly. Now you understand exactly what you need to do when it comes to building a brand on eBay. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe.